What's up, everybody? It's Drew McGee from the IVM group. Hope everyone's having a great week. Wanted to share another quick video with you guys. Last week, we were in HubSpot looking at some of the template functionality within HubSpot, and we got a couple of requests of how do we do that in Salesforce? So today, I wanted to jump back into Salesforce and look at the enhanced letterhead functionality within Salesforce. It's going to be a game changer. It makes your life so much easier. And what that does is it allows us to populate an HTML email signature in all of our emails that are outbound out of our Salesforce CRM, just making them a lot more personalized and branded, and thus increasing engagement with whoever we're sending them to, right? So if we look at our homepage, we'll go back to our homepage real quick. This is our homepage of Salesforce out of the box. So if we click the 9 dots up here on the left, we can search for letterheads, and that's going to pull up enhanced letterheads. If we go to our enhanced letterheads page, we can view all of our letterheads that we already have created, but we don't have any because this is our test instance, right? So we go up to the top right and we click new to create a new one. So what this letterhead is going to do is it's going to populate a footer and a header of any email template we attach it to. So that anytime anybody on our team is sending out an email from Salesforce and they use the template with this letterhead, it's automatically going to populate whatever we have in the footer and whatever we have in the header on that email. So if we go to the name, we can type in test, just because it's a test for our instance, and description. Both of these fields are internal. Nobody we send these emails to is ever going to see what you type in these fields, right? So the header is what's going to populate above the body of the email. It's completely up to you whether you want to have this included here or actually included in the email template. It's absolutely preference. But if we do want to include something in here, we can simply put hey, and that'll put the hey before the email. Or we can say, hey, first name. Well, everyone has a different first name. Well, not entirely true. Some people have the same first names, but everyone has a different first name. How do we pull it off the record? Well, if we click this merge field button down here, we can simply add any field we want that we keep on any of the recipient records that we're sending to, right? So, hey, recipient first name. So whatever name's on that on the record that you're sending that email to, that first name field will populate there, making it personalized, right? Once again, completely up to you whether you want to include that here in the header of the enhanced letterhead or in the header of the email template if you want to switch it up between templates, right? So that's the header. If we scroll down, we're going to be able to find the box for the footer. And this is where we're going to include our email signature. And where people don't realize is that we can use our customization tokens to pull the info from each one of our users so that each one of our users only has to use one enhanced letterhead for all of their templates so that we have a uniform email signature going out to all of our prospects and customers, right? So in the footer page, we want to start creating our signature. So I want to recreate our IVM signature. So thanks. And then we have our full name, right? So if we click the bottom right here, we can go over to the left and hit sender. And then we type in our full name, insert. So it's pulling the full name of that sender, right? We have our title. We want to include our title. So we go back to our insert merge field, sender, and then we type in title, insert, awesome. And then we're going to put our company. And then we want to include our phone numbers, right? So we do this, and then we go to our sender, phone, boom, click, and now it's pulling our phone number. And let's say we want to add a couple links. We want to give things for people to click on. So we type in, let's do our website. And once we have our text that we want to link to our website, we can highlight that text, go up here to this little chain link icon, and then easily add our website into this link URL box. And then once we hit save, it makes that a clickable link to the website. We can also add our LinkedIn page and hyperlink our LinkedIn page right in our email signature. And then even more so, which is super cool, we can add images into our email signature. So if we hit browser upload, it'll pull up this window and you can hit upload image if you want to add any new images from your computer. It's super simple. Or you can click any already added images. So we have our IVM logo right here. We scroll down, it's a little big, so you can easily resize any of your images. And then if you click the image and then click that chain link button again, you can link your imagery to whatever URL or website you want to steer people towards. We hit save there. So that's really it. I mean, that's our entire email signature. Sorry, our image didn't pop up there as quickly. But so that's our entire email signature. We hit save, right? That's our enhanced letterhead. And it's going to look a little wonky, right, when we're looking at it from this view. But if we go into our email templates, I'll show you guys how to quickly link it to an email template. If we get a new email template up here on the right, it's going to populate our email template creation window. And this is what I was saying. I would create just one blank template with that enhanced letterhead for your entire team, so that at least we're utilizing that HTML email signature for all emails out of Salesforce. So a test template. And how do we connect it, right? This box right here, enhanced letterheads. If you click that, it's going to open up a search box, and you can just click our test enhanced letterhead right there. And then I would make this a public email template so that our entire team can use this template. Subject, leave it blank because people are going to be entering their own subjects. And then for the value, the body of the template, I'm just simply leaving it blank, right? We hit save, and that's going to create our test template, and it's going to have our enhanced letterhead attached to it, so that now when we go to one of our leads and go to send them an email, it's going to automatically populate that header and the footer. We can enter any email we want in the body of the email. Hey, how are you doing today? Enter any subject. And then when we preview that email, it's going to populate all of your reps' information into the email that you're going to be sending. So super useful, right? It stops reps or your team from having to recreate their email signatures in every email they're sending out. Or even worse, prevents people from sending plain text emails out of your CRM. It just looks more professional, more engaging, increasing the chances of somebody emailing you back or giving you a call, or just building that awareness and consideration of your brand. But I hope this helped. I hope it's a great tool for you and your team to use. It can save a ton of time and increase that personalization of all your emails. Reach out if you have any questions, but hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And thanks again for watching.